So, hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in Your Pocket, and today is a big day. Yes, Zifu AI is back, and they have now delivered GLM 4.6, which looks to be the best coding LLM, not in just terms of open source models, but even closed source model. And it is even beating out Claude Sonnet 4.5, which was released just yesterday. Yes, you heard it right. Looking at the benchmarks, the model is looking crazingly good. And if you have liked GLM 4.5 that was released a few months back, this is a crazier update and the model is looking a monster over the previous release. So if you look at the benchmarks, AIME 2025, 98.6 as you can see here compared to GLM 4.5 85.4 and even Claude Sonnet 4.5 87. It is able to beat out the best coding model that was released yesterday only. Talking about GPQA also, the model is beating out everything else. Live code bench V6, just see the difference. Claude Sonnet 4.5 is 57 while ZFUI's GLM 4.6 is killing at 84.5. HLE also, there is just no comparison. The model is 30.4. Even a browser.com, the model is leading the charts. On some of the benchmarks, it is not as SW bench, terminal bench, and Tau bench, but still the model looks crazy. And do remember that the model is open source as well. So in this short video, I will be telling you about the model details. But first of all, we'll test out the model for free on z.ai. The link is in the comment section below. So here you can see that z.ai, you can access the model for free. You need to just log in with your account, and at the top GLM 4.6, the best reasoning coding LLM is now available for free for you to use. I'll testing out a few small tasks so that you can show how fast the model is and how good the model is. Help me write a Python function for palindrome. Write all the unit test cases as well. Now let's hit enter, and GLM 4.6, the latest AI model has started now. It is thinking. Just look at the speed. It is typing at tracer bullet rate, and as I can see, it is also including test cases. Multiple things are there. It has written the code also. A docstring 2 looks a great model. You can try the model for free on z.ai as I'm using it. There are no limits. So let me try out another question and then we'll jump. Write the same function in Java as well as C++ also. So the model excels in all the languages, not just Python. As you can see, it has started thinking about it, translating the entire function into Java. As you can see, just look at the speed. And it is looking crazingly good. The benchmarks, as you just saw, were great. And it is also able to beat out the closed source model, not just open source model. As you can see, the Java implementation is ready now. The platform is free to use. Do remember that. So you can use the best coding LLM for free anytime you want. And looking at the speed, the thinking capacity, it has thought for very long. As you can see, very long thinking process, and it is able to get to a great solution here also. I'm not checking out the coding part, but I think looking at the depth and looking at the depth of the thinking, the code should be correct given the benchmarks too. So this is how you can access the model for free on z.ai. The link is in the comment section below. Now before we wrap up this video, I will be talking about a bit on the model itself. So what are the key improvements over GLM 4.5? For GLM 4.6, it has a longer context window. 200k token window, coding performance, it is superior benchmarks and real world applications, advanced reasoning, clear improvements and tool support, capable agents, and refined writing also. As we've already talked about the benchmarks, it is leading on most of the coding benchmarks. What are the real world experiences? 48.6% win rate against Claude Sonnet 4, 15% fewer tokens than GLM 4.5. So it is even cheaper than the previous version that was released. Getting started with GLM 4.5, 6, where the model is available on z.ai. API is also available. Coding agents like Claude Code, Kilo Code, Roo Code, Klein, Chat on Z.ai that I just showed you, and the model is open source. Hence, the weights are not released yet, but they would be released soon on Hugging Face, Model Scope, VLLM, and SG Lang also can be used. GLM coding plan, as you can see, it is 1/7 the price of the competitors and 3 cross more usage quota. So with this, it's a wrap. It's a great model that has been released. It is available for free. So what are you waiting for? Do try out the model right now and let me know in the comment section how you feel about it. Thank you so much.